Hello and welcome to Clarity for UPSC. I'm Dr. Shivan Chaudhary. As you all know, I am a full-time teacher now, so this video is all about everything that I have planned throughout the next year for Prelims 2024, for Mains 2024 and 25, and for people who are targeting the 2025 attempt. This video is my entire academic calendar for the next year, so that you know कि मैंने क्या-क्या plan कर रखा है and you can benefit suitably. In this video, you will also find timestamps at the bottom for every initiative. But मेरी आपसे ये request है कि आप ये video पूरी देखें so that you get the whole idea. Let's start with Prelims 2024. Currently for Prelims 2024, I am running a Telegram community-based initiative called Prelims 2024 with Dr. Shivan. Now, what is this group and what is this initiative? यहाँ पर क्या होता है that I post targets daily. इस पर target tracking होती है and approximately 4,000 people every day are posting their pictures and are talking about उनके क्या क्या targets पूरे हुए, क्या क्या नहीं हुए, etc. etc. This has been happening for the past week and 7 days से ये number यहीं पर है, so I'm really proud of this. यहाँ पर active recall based revision sessions भी मैं ले रहा हूँ, जैसे हमने अभी polity पे लिया था कुछ दिन, and till prelims 2024 this group will be running. इस group के बारे में all the details are in a video and that video link is there in the description for you to peruse it. Now, एक चीज़ मैंने आपको promise की थी when I told you I'm becoming a full-time teacher, जो मैंने Science and Technology का course लिया था for Prelims 2023, I told you that I'll make all of those lectures available to you. So I am delivering on that promise today. All of the lectures of my Science and Tech course for Prelims 2023 will be uploaded on the Sarthi IAS YouTube channel. आपको आज 5 बजे at 5 PM today you will see the first lecture and within the next 2 weeks all lectures will be uploaded here. अब question ये है कि if you are giving prelims 2024 तो इन lectures को आपको use कैसे करना है? So firstly I would recommend that you watch these lectures at 1.5x and you watch them at the end of the day only. So that आप बाकी पढ़ाई पूरे दिन में कर लें. When you are tired at the end of the day, you watch these lectures. If you are weak in certain areas of science and tech, for example, if you are weak in biotech, or if you are weak, let's say, in quantum computing or emerging technologies, तो उन areas के लिए you can focus on these. ये lectures देखने के बाद, what will you get? All the static concepts that have been asked and are relevant for you. Every previous year question. Obviously this course was for prelims 2023, तो 2022 तक के सारे previous year questions covered हैं. I have made 1-pager revision notes, तो यहाँ पर actively recall के साथ revision भी कराई गई है. The only thing that you will need to add is current affairs of this year, and एक बार आप ये course के lectures देख लोगे, current affairs is not going to be a problem. All of these lectures will be uploaded on this YouTube channel, and the first video will be uploaded today by 5 PM. So now let's move on to the next thing, which is Mains 2024 and 25. Mains में मैंने 3 problems notice करी हैं. The first problem is कि there is a 3-month ambiguity. Prelims के बाद और Mains से पहले जो ये 3 months का time है, इस time पे बहुत ambiguity रहती है. So here I am launching or going to launch a Telegram based community initiative post prelims in June. इस initiative में हम क्या करेंगे? We will have plans so that in 3 महीने में कैसे planning करनी है, which subject has to be covered first, which has to be covered later, optional को कैसे use करना है उसकी बात करेंगे. इस initiative में we will also be covering current affairs for the mains. यहाँ पर current affairs पढ़ाने के लिए I will have help from Mudit Jain sir, Atish Mathur sir, Varun Jain sir, and of course I will be there. We will also be having mentorship session here, and I will also be bringing toppers here. So for example, some of my students like Ritika, who is ranked 25 this year, or Vinay, who is ranked 122 this year, have scored excellent marks in GS3 or in the whole GS papers. And also my batchmates who have scored excellent marks in their optional subjects. We will be bringing these people here to ensure that you get insights from them as well. This Telegram community will be launched post prelims. इसकी सारी details post prelims June में आपको available हो जाएंगी. Now the second problem that I had identified for Mains 2024 is that हमारे पास content तो है, but we are not able to write smartly. The third problem is that GS3 के लिए एक one-stop solution at this moment exist नहीं करता है. These are also 2 problems that I solved last year through my courses. So first let me talk about Write Smart. देखो होता क्या है कि हमारे पास कंटेंट है but it is disorganized and it is unstructured. But from here, we have to get to beautiful answers in 7 or 11 minutes. Now, this is not just about writing, it is also about thinking smart. This course is basically to teach you the essential skills of how we can organize content into a beautiful answer through templates, through approaches, through understanding answer writing, in understanding कि question की demand क्या होती है, answer कैसे लिखा जाता है, and everything that comes in between. Now, if you're somebody जिसने ये content read कर रखा है पहले से, this will ensure कि आपका जो content है वो बहुत organized हो जाए and you will be able to utilize it properly. If you are someone who is new, you will learn this essential skill early and this will ensure कि आप आगे चल के जो भी notes बनाओगे mains exam के लिए, they will be relevant, structured and comprehensive. I will be starting Write Smart this year on 20th June 2024. If you'd like to check it out, the link is in the description. Similarly, for General Studies Paper 3, there are these 6 subjects. Now there is a multitude of subjects. ये काफ़ी varied subjects हैं. There are current affairs linked. तो ये एक problem रहती है कि current affairs इसमें कैसे integrate करें. And of course, value addition की problem है, right? So all of this, covering the static part of all of these subjects, adding current affairs that are relevant for the mains exam, and value additions through case studies, data, facts, prepared introductions and conclusions, some keywords and mnemonics. इन सबको एक जगह पर लाकर I made a one-stop solution for GS3 last year and I'll be doing the same this year. It will be starting on 21st June. Again, you can check the link in the description. अब बात करते हैं for people who are aiming for the 2025 attempt. So as you might have known, yesterday the launch was done at Sarthi IAS and I'm going to teach in the foundation course at Sarthi IAS. I will be teaching these 3 things: economy, science and tech, and environment. And all of these 3 will also be available as separate modules. As in when they are released, they will be listed as separate modules. So you don't need to enroll in the entire course or something. You can pick and choose what you want to study for 2025. अब मैंने ये 3 subject ही क्यों pick किए? I picked these 3 subjects because if you notice, these are all conceptual subjects and actually जिस चीज़ को मैं टीचिंग कहता हूँ, my passion for teaching, it is actually a passion for simplifying complex concepts so that they can be easily applied. ये सेम काम मैंने साइंस एंड टेक एंड एनवायरनमेंट के लिए किया था लास्ट ईयर एंड दिस ईयर आई विल बी डूइंग इट फॉर इकोनॉमी एज वेल. वंस वी डू स्टार्टेड कॉन्सेप्ट्स हियर, करंट अफेयर्स की जो प्रॉब्लम है इन तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स की वो भी सॉल्व हो जाएगी. नाउ द सेकेंड इनिशिएटिव, 2025 अटेम्प्ट अभी 1 साल दूर है एंड इट इज़ क्वाइट पॉसिबल कि बीच में हम लॉस्ट हो जाएं, हमारा एंथुजियाज्म चला जाए. सो आई विल बी लॉन्चिंग अ टेलीग्राम कम्युनिटी इनिशिएटिव फॉर द 2025 अटेम्प्ट. यहाँ पर क्या होगा, वी विल हैव डेली टारगेट्स एंड प्रोग्रेस ट्रैकिंग, जैसे अभी मेरे प्रीलिम्स 2024 ग्रुप में हो रही है. इसके साथ वी विल ऑल्सो बी डूइंग मंथली रिविजन ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स यू आर रीडिंग, अ मंथली रिविजन ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स टू इंश्योर कि आपके करंट अफेयर्स की प्रॉब्लम 2025 के लिए सॉल्व हो जाए. I will also be having mentorship sessions here exclusively with you to solve your problems throughout the year. This I will be starting on 3rd June. It will be announced, the link for it and everything else, how it is going to work. It will be announced on 1st June. This is also something I had promised and I am delivering on my promise. So throughout the year, what are some things that I'll also be doing in सबके अलावा throughout the year? Firstly, YouTube की बात करते हैं. As you know, this YouTube channel जिस पे आप देख रहे हो, Clarity for UPSC, इस पे I've been trying to give you all the knowledge that I have related to this exam, whatever guidance I can provide, and I will be doing more of the same. I will be also inviting various other students, toppers, batchmates, senior faculties who can give you various more insights to this exam ताकि आपकी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा help हो सके through this YouTube channel. Then दिस इज़ वन यूट्यूब चैनल विच आई एम गिल्टी ऑफ इग्नोरिंग. मेरे हिसाब से मैंने यहाँ पर उतना ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं किया है. तो जो मेंटल हेल्थ एंड यूपीएससी वाला चैनल है, आई एम गोइंग टू रीएक्टिवेट इट. अभी रिसेंटली भी मुद्दत जैन सर के साथ आई हैड पुट अ वीडियो हियर एंड आई विल ब्रिंग हियर पीपल हु हैव क्लियर्ड द एग्जाम एंड ऑल्सो पीपल हु हैव नॉट क्लियर्ड द एग्जाम बट आर डूइंग ग्रेट थिंग्स इन देयर लाइफ, ताकि हमें पता रहे कि यूपीएससी माइट बी एन एग्जाम बट इट इज़ ओनली एन एग्जाम. इसके आगे की भी ज़िंदगी है. आवर लाइफ डज नॉट एंड हियर. मेंटल हेल्थ is much more important than this exam. इस चीज़ पे हम फोकस करेंगे. Then, as you know, I have a website www.drshivan.com all of my materials, for example, my course notes from the Science and Tech course of last year, my environment course notes are already on this website, and in the future also, whatever materials I can help you with, I will be posting on this website. So now, just a summary for what I'm going to do ahead. Prelims 2024 with Dr. Shivan, this is already ongoing. This Telegram group for Prelims 2024 is already ongoing. इसका link आपको description में दिख जाएगा. Link video का होगा, आप video देखेंगे, आपको समझ आ जाएगा what the group is about. If you like the initiative, do join it. आपको बहुत help होगी मेरे हिसाब से to revise for Prelims 2024. Then जो Science and Tech lectures हैं वो सारथी IAS के YouTube channel पे आज से at 5 PM the first lecture will be out. The lectures will be uploaded from today, and within the next 2 weeks they'll all be done. Now the Mains 2024 special guidance group, जिसमें there will be me, Atish Mathur sir, Mudit Jain sir and Varun Jain sir. A Telegram community based initiative will be launched in June post prelims. Write Smart, that I did last year also, the PYQ based essential answer writing as well as thinking smart course for UPSC will be launched on 20th June. The GS3 mains module, which is a one-stop solution for GS3, will be launched on 21st June. In दोनों के links भी you will find in the description and the first comment. Now in the foundation course for 2025, I am teaching economy, science and tech, environment and ecology. इनके individual modules will also be out there. So my plan is to teach economy about mid-October, science and tech in January, environment and ecology in somewhere around February. Now this group, Conquer CSE 2025 with Dr. Shivan, this will start on 3rd June. This is again a Telegram based initiative where we're going to ensure कि पूरे 2025 attempt के लिए हमारी progress tracking एक साथ रहे, and we can ensure कि we don't go haywire and our enthusiasm is maintained. All the relevant links can be found in the description and in the first comment. A huge thank you if you've watched till the end. See you next time.